My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the BMW 3 Series M Sport Edition. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 87,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access notifications, my vehicle, connected drive and navigation, communication and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. If we press our mode button, we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. If we press our EU Drive button, we can switch between Max, Save and Auto. We have our dual zone climate control. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.